front of me is OPPO K13x, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading any app you wish to set up as your new default one. In my case, Firefox browser. When your new app is ready, exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. Then scroll to click on Apps. Tap on Default Apps over here and click on one of those sections you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Now tap on an app you wish to apply, and when you're ready, go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!